Hello.
What we gonna do?
We're gonna send out letters to our Christmas. So we're gonna put it in the post.
I can't see you. You have to sit down here.
We're gonna put it in the post, and then the mailman is gonna take it to the.
We're gonna walk to post office and gonna drop in the post box.
Yeah.
Letter box, okay?
Yeah.
Good afternoon. We are posting our letters for Father Christmas.
Yes.
And you can bring us our
More
toys.
please. More please. You
The
can...
door's already unlocked.
Alright.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
เดี๋ยวเดินไปโพสต์ออฟฟิศกันนะคะ เดี๋ยวเดินไปกัน Alright. What you doing now? So we waiting for Father turn it back to you for the present. If it good enough. Come on, we going now.
I got cherry Vimto fizzy, and Sophie just has Vimto fizzy.
Show properly then I can't see.
And it's 55p, and
Yes.
Sophie's is 55p.
That's what we got.
Because it's
Bread
pretty.
and banana.
Mine is 55p and Sophie's is. So it's pretty much the same because they're both Vimto, but mine is just cherry and Sophie's.
ดูอากาศนะคะ ตอนนี้ประมาณบ่าย3:30นะคะมืดละ
Coming from here.
Is it No, not yet darling.
Chinese takeaway. What time
Chinese takeaway นะคะ ร้าน Chinese takeaway ร้านจีน
Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday's closed.
Yeah
Tuesday.